Hi guys, good afternoon. This is Chef Deegee from Stables. We are bringing today one of my personal favorites, green peas masala with methi paratha. Green peas from the farm, sweet peas, so sweet it's not funny. I can eat bowls of it. My dogs love them too, by the way. And we will serve that with fenugreek leaf bread. We call it methi paratha here, with 3 kinds of pickle. An absolute staple and huge comfort food. Hope you guys enjoy it too. Cheers.
Let's start with the accompanying spicy peas curry. In a pan, add 3 teaspoons of cooking oil. When hot, add jeera or cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon. When brown, add chopped ginger and onion. Cook for about 2 minutes. We now should chop about 1 large tomato and cook that for additional 2 to 3 minutes along with the cumin seeds, onion and ginger. Now we add all the glorious spices, cayenne pepper or Deegee mirch, dhania powder, and cook this for about 2 minutes and then add salt. The smell of these spices coming together is absolutely fantastic. We grow these here at the stable. The wheat, ginger, garlic, methi, peas are all our own produce. And the sheer delight of cooking, harvesting, processing farm fresh produce is absolutely delightful. We now add the freshly shelled peas. Look at this color, guys. You can actually see the sweetness of the peas come out. The peas cook very quickly because they are so fresh and sweet. So keep it mildly underdone as the residual heat will do the rest. Let's move to the bread. In 2 cups of whole wheat flour, add 3 teaspoons of ghee or butter, 1 teaspoon salt and 3 cups full of chopped methi leaves. Don't worry, these won't overwhelm the flour. Make a soft dough with about a cup of water. I'm using a spoon. You could use a spatula, or even better, go in with your hands. Methi is inherently bitter, but with ghee, peas masala and some jaggery and curd, it's an absolute unbeatable product and a winner for me. Make equal size balls and rest for 5 to 7 minutes. Roll the dough out into a chapati or a paratha. Fry well with oil on both sides. As you cook this, bring the peas masala back on the frying pan, heat it for about a minute, add chopped coriander leaves, and serve this hot with methi paratha and pickles. Voila! It really can't get better than this. For even more decadence, serve this with jaggery and curd, and after this you will realize what heaven could feel like. Cheers guys, hope you enjoy this. I'm gonna love this one.